You guys, hello, my pretties, lovelies, and everybody. I'm almost done with my living room and I want to show you it right now because I'm very proud. So, but before I do that, I want to just talk a little bit about how I did it. It's very simple. I had to have more places, like a more permanent place for my plants, because my plants just take full, priority in my house. I mean, I'm not going to add any more plants indoors because I'm running out of room. And I've also propagated some plants. So the living room, I added the shelf, okay, so that I can put more plants there. I got rid of the round table because it's just so ugly. And then, so I have some more plants that are kind of out of place right now. And I know that when I repot it, it's going to get bigger. So I'm going to need more space. And these guys back here, I'm going to have to put it somewhere higher. But I want to talk about this also, this poinsettia. I'll show you. Look at the red coming out. And this is from hiding them in the closet. See the red? Oh, nice. So look at all the red. It's starting to get redder. Look at that. So I'm thinking, how come the other leaves are not turning red? Because not all the leaves are going to turn red. If you get a new one from the store, they're not all red. Anywho, so I have the shelf. I did the shelf, and then there's two shelves. There's one above the couch, and then there's going to be one. I'm going to add some more right where the TV is. I still don't know. So, but I would say about 90% it's done. Also, I sold my coffee table and the side tables that I used to have. I've had it for years, for like 21 years. No, not 21 years, like 10 years, 11 years or something like that. So sold those because I wanted a new look, and they were taking up too much space. They came from a house that's way bigger than this one. So I just needed a coffee table. So I got a new one from the things that I've sold on Marketplace. Facebook's fantastic with that. So I sold some of my stuff. I did not spend anything out of pocket of the stuff that I sold. So I kind of like repurposed it. And so I'm so happy. I'm so happy because it looks so good. But I'll show you. Bye. I'm getting ready to stain the shelf. Okay, so I should explain what's going on here. I took that down. Remember that painting? And then I put this shelf up. These things, brackets, I got from online at a Hobby Lobby. And up there, I still have my painting or my drawing of this pencil drawing of this woman, or charcoal. I think that's charcoal. That I did. Then I put like some old books and put my plants, most of my plants up here. And then I made some line drawings. I like it. I mean, it's very organic. Then my stepdad's father's painted this one and I kept it. This is my stepdad. And that's his stuff. Okay, this diva right here, look, shedding more leaves. I don't get it. You know, do you want light? Do you not want light? What is it? What? So, yeah. Then, of course, you know, representation of Napa. My crates. And then all of these things, just this one, ooh, surviving pretty good. And look, look at the stem is just getting so fat. Like, you know, this leaf that wasn't so that big before. It's so big. Like, it's producing a lot more big leaves. This is how small the leaves are down here. Looks like it likes being around this pole. I didn't know you were a stripper. I'm just kidding. And this one is finally producing one leaf. Hey, get away from here, you gnat. Yeah, this one is liking where it's at right now. I replanted her because look, she kind of died a little bit because I replanted, but the new leaf is like loving it. But I'm just gonna keep these old leaves here because I don't want it to look so sparse. This is a replant right here. I just tied this, oopsie, around there just so it can, you know, move somewhere. But I love this one. Look at this one. I just repotted her. I think she needs to be repotted again. She's just getting so big. And so I moved all the CDs, my music CDs in here. And there's some more in the back there. But I covered it up so it's not so messy looking. And this one, this really likes it here for some reason. I'm giving this away. And then Prince is just sitting there. That's my pastel drawing of Prince. This Paris, I think I'm going to put it up here, but I want to put another shelf here, like maybe a lower one, so I can put more plants there, because I don't really like too many plants on the table, but that's where they live right now. Then this little mat here, I got that from the Philippines. I dragged it all the way. Oh, also, remember these curtains? These curtains, and then the curtains that I have in my van. The leftovers, I made these pillow covers. And it's just folded in the back, right? Like this. See? Oopsie. That's the Velcro. I was gonna sew it, but then my needle got stuck in the adhesive, so I just stuck it there. And I'll just like hand sew it later on. But yeah, this is my living room, guys. I got this new coffee table because I got rid of the other coffee table. This now looks more uniform to everything else. It's now tied together. This is where I keep all the movies. And guys, it's so full. Like 3, I didn't even know I had this many. And I sold most of them. But you know, because these days, like Hollywood doesn't come out with too many good movies anymore. I'm like hiding my stuff there. Look at this plant. I just love this plant. It keeps growing. Needs to be, I need to like wash it a little bit. No more good movies coming out from Hollywood. So these movies are gonna be like classic pretty soon. And we just have to like rewatch everything now because these are the movies in the past that are really good. Oh wow, look at her. She's just happy now. And you know what's in these days? The new thing these days, I need to maybe like tie that up like this. The new thing, the new decor that's coming out right now, it's called Grand Millennials, which means your grandmother's flowery decorations in the past. That's what's in, like Flynn. Okay, now I just need to take a peek to her. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, but it really helps me out when you do. Click like. Thank you and adios. XOXO.